Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Argent X to authorize trading approvals, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have the Argent X wallet installed on your browser. Open your browser and navigate to the official Argent X website. Once there, click on the download button to install the extension. Follow the prompts to add Argent X to your browser. After installation, click on the Argent X icon in your browser toolbar. If you're a new user, you'll need to create a new wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a secure password. Make sure to safely store your recovery phrase, as this is essential for wallet recovery. Once your wallet is set up, you'll see the dashboard with your account information. To authorize trading approvals, go to the Settings section. In the Settings menu, find the Trading Approvals option. Click on it to access the Trading Approvals interface. Here, you'll see various options for granting approval to different platforms. Select the platform you want to authorize using Argent X. Read through the terms and conditions provided. If you agree, click the Authorize button to proceed. You may need to confirm your action in a pop-up window. Follow any additional instructions that appear on the screen. Your trading approvals will now be active for the selected platform. To verify the authorization, return to the Trading Approvals section. Ensure that the platform is listed as authorized. You're now ready to start trading using Argent X. Keep your wallet secure and monitor your approvals regularly. By following these steps, you can effectively authorize trading approvals with Argent X. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.